Hey guys, what is up? It's City Thang here in my empty bathroom with no makeup. Another intro with no makeup. Lately I've been feeling pretty low. In order to keep my spirits up, I've been journaling and working out, eating healthy, and I've even started seeing a therapist with BetterHelp. One of the last things that I could do, or just one of the things that I truly need, is just to show some self-care, and I'm gonna do that with a glow up. All week I'm going to be spending time on myself, starting with my hair, because I truly need that. So I got some hair dye from Overtone. I'm gonna be getting my nails done, and I also have a little mini haul. I got a new outfit from Peppermayo. I've been influenced by all the influencers on Instagram. And I've also got some cute accessories from two of my friends' stores. One is Flare Goods and the other is Charmed Collective. And then at the end of all of this, we're gonna do a fun photo shoot. At the moment, I may look crazy, but that just makes the glow up so much better. Let's start with the hair. Yeah, so I went platinum blonde. Then I started adding colors in my hair. I just kind of missed my natural hair. I just want it to be this color again. I've been watching a few Overtone YouTube tutorials, so I have complete confidence in myself. We are going to do a semi-permanent dye. I have the espresso brown. There is two other natural brown colors. I got this hair dye, and then I also got the daily conditioner. They give you these gloves as well. It says scared of stains, wrap it up, and it kind of looks like a condom wrapper, so I thought that was a cute touch. Give you this little brochure going into the coloring conditioners and daily conditioners and the remedies. I'm lazy and I don't want to do like a 15-minute test. I'm just gonna go full force. You know what? I have empty walls. This is kind of artsy, right? I have my dyes. I have them on top of a garbage bag to make sure I don't stain the sink at all. Some rubber bands and stuff like that. My Myers spray and paper towels, just in case things get dirty. Just divvy up my hair and do everything row by row. So you don't want to do this process with clean hair. Your hair needs to be a little dirty, or it needs to have some type of oil so the dye can actually take hold. Ooh, it kind of smells minty. Start. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It honestly feels like I'm putting chocolate fudge on my hair. Wow, it looks so dark. I'm just trying to get into everything because I do not want anything to look blotchy. What do I do with this thing? Alright, I'm probably gonna put you guys on a time lapse now. A little bit of stainage here and there. Hopefully that can be removed. It says wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to wait 30 minutes because I want this color to catch. Well, welcome back. As you can see, my hair is wet. I got my Gen Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches on. I love these things, and like I said, this week is all about self-care. So I do feel like there's like a bit of patchy spots. You probably can't see them on camera right now, but it's honestly not too bad now that it's wet. But once it's dry, we'll see how much coverage I got. But as you can see, my hair is pretty dark. While I was washing my hair, I noticed that the Overtone felt so nice in my hair. Like my hair felt so healthy. And then I got to the point where I was like, all right, this Overtone's not washing out all the way. So I put a little bit of shampoo. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that or not. I noticed my hair started getting dry again. And so I was like, no. So I put the conditioner in. And the conditioner also is like the same espresso color. I'm really excited to see what happens with my hair after it's actually dried. I think it's like 8 o'clock at night. I'm not gonna be able to give you a outside reveal until the end of this video. So if you do want to see what it looks like outside, then just click forward or just continue watching this video and see the rest of my glow up. Let's start this glow up. All done with the blowout. Sorry, it's not salon grade. While I was doing it, I was like, oh my gosh, anybody who does a good blowout or who is a professional hairstylist must just be cringing right now. I know my hair might be looking a little witchy right now, but honestly, I don't mind it because there's a lot of volume. So I did not think at all that the Overtone was going to be this dark. It's actually close to my natural hair color. It might be darker. Like, I can definitely tell that it is darker down here and a little bit lighter up here, but I mean, I feel like you'd have to look hard, but I do feel like my hair looks much better than it did before. I was going to straighten it a little bit just for this portion, but you know, it's getting late and I could do all that for the end of the video. This is still a glow up process. With that being said, my nails are so dirty from Overtone. It's definitely time to get some help for these babies. I just finished getting my nails done at this place called Honey. There's a bunch in the city. I got a facial with my older sister and my little sister in Houston. We went to Honey too, so there might be one in your city. It's been so nice to, you know, finish work on a Friday and then treat myself to a nice nail appointment. Loving this glow up situation. I'll have the inspo of the design up here, but this is what I got. And I like it. It's simple. It's a nice transition into the crazy designs that I'll probably get in the future. But as for now, I really like what I got. And can't wait for the photo shoot tomorrow. All right, so I dyed my hair, which came out to be a very dark brown, which I did not intend for it to be like that. I thought it was going to be more of like a milk chocolate brown, but now it's a very dark brown with a purple tint, which I kind of like, to be honest. Another thing to take note of if you're trying Overtone, at least for this color, for the espresso brown color, it dyed my tub and my sink, but thankfully I was able to just spray Clorox on it, let it sit there for about 30 minutes to an hour, and I wiped it all up and it was gone. So that was nice. After the hair, I got my nails done. Before even filming this glow up, I went on a little online shopping adventure and everything finally came in. The first thing I got is from Peppermayo. I got this white dress. I'm kind of trying to get more white items because I want to wear white for the whole week of my wedding, and I'm thinking, you know, if I get cute things here and there, maybe I can add that to my wedding wardrobe. So I got this nice dress. It's backless. It's also a pretty short dress. It's nice and poofy, a linen type of material, very breathy, good for the summer, although we're going into fall now. But wearing it with boots and a jean jacket or a sweater, a white long sleeve turtleneck with this could be really cute as well, or even a sheared long sleeve with this back. Mwah. It was also supposed to be a squared neck, but this area was just way too big on me, which also made me a little bit sad because this is mainly a thrifting channel, and so I hardly ever shop firsthand. And to put on a dress that's firsthand that didn't fit me perfectly kind of bummed me out. But then I realized, you know, a lot of clothing is not supposed to fit you perfectly. Like, you're supposed to get things tailored here and there. I'm not sure if this is a bit too much. Maybe I should have returned it, but I just decided to kind of practice my sewing skills. So I did a little ruching treatment right here, and that was nice because honestly I haven't sewn since high school, and I really want to get into it. During this glow up, I dyed my hair for the first time in a long time. I got a gel manicure, which I normally just get like regular manicures, and I, you know, started sewing. To go along with this dress, I got these boots, which I like these boots so much I've started walking around in them. These boots are also from Peppermayo. They're not leather, they're vegan leather or pleather, whatever you would like to call it. I did notice after the first wear there started to become like creases right here. I don't know if regular leather boots do that. I feel like regular leather boots do that over time, but these boots did it right away. But I do still really like them. They fit so nice and tightly on the ankle, so it's gonna be really nice if I want to wear black skinny jeans or skirts and dresses. I also feel like I can wear them in a professional setting as well and still look quirky and creative with these awesome space boots. So I'm super excited to wear these together, to have these badass boots with this nice whimsical white dress. Next we have these two jewelry items from two brands that I've shouted out on my channel before. They're both women owned, they're both small businesses. The first item, these drop earrings. They're the Isle earrings by Charmy Collective. I just love the marbled pattern within. They're handcrafted. You have the burgundies and the pinks and the purples and the reds in here. So I'm really excited to pair these with my Urban Decay, I think it's called Firefox lipstick. They're gonna pair so well together. And they also look really cute with my nails as well. And then I have my glass ring from Flare Goods. This is the full transparency ring. She has a bunch of different colored glass rings. On her trip to Turkey, she met up with an artisan who makes these glass rings, glass jewelry, sculptures. She partnered with her and now she's selling some of their rings and ear cuffs as well. So there's a bunch of different colors, different assortments. If you're really into the colorful, chunky rings, I feel like this glass ring just kind of takes it up a notch as well. So I'm so excited for my new outfit, excited for my hair and my nails. I honestly thought that in the beginning of this glow up it was going to be such a superficial video, but as the week progressed, I really noticed how happy I felt just to set some time aside for myself to dye my hair because my roots were overgrowing, to get my nails done, to put a mask on. So it just made me realize, like, although I'm treating my outward appearance, it's definitely seeping in, and it is a different form of, you know, self-care. So spend time on yourself, get your nails done, treat yourself to a dress. If you don't want to spend money, paint your nails. I don't know, just do whatever makes you happy. Remember to put yourself first and to be kind to yourself. That's where I'm going to end the video, and here is my film slash little photo shoot.